Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel. How to get ungated on Amazon FBA in 2025. So what does gated mean on Amazon? Certain brands, categories and products are restricted, which means you cannot sell them until Amazon approves you. Why does they give you? It's all about protecting buyers and brand reputation from counterfeits and low quality products. So which products are gated in 2025? Grocery and gourmet foods, topicals like skincare and creams, health and personal care, big brands like Nike, Lego, and Apple. If you want to sell any of these, you will need to go through the ungating process. So let's see how to get ungated. Step 1. First, you need to upgrade to the professional seller account, which will cost you $39.99 per month, and it is required for ungating. Individual accounts won't help you, so you will need to upgrade. Step 2. Find a legitimate wholesaler. Amazon needs the invoices from real suppliers, not AliExpress or random marketplaces. Try these trusted opinions. EE Distribution, Frontier, Co-op, Wholesale Center. These are my opinions. Make sure the supplier is known and reputable. Step 3. Place a test order. Buy at least 10 units of the product or brand you want to get ungated in. Keep the invoice. This is your golden ticket. It also show your name and address, supplier's info, matching details with your Amazon account. Unless it won't work. Step 4. Apply for approval. Head to Seller Central, add a product, search for the item, then click Apply to Sell. Upload your invoice and any supporting documents. Step 5. Wait and respond. Amazon usually replies within 24 to 72 hours. So you will need to wait. They might ask for product photos, packaging details, so keep everything ready. Here are some tips for success. Use well-known verified suppliers. Don't submit fake invoices. Amazon will catch it and ban your account, so it's risky. Don't try it. If you are using ungating service, make sure it's 100% reputable and transparent. If you go through these steps, you will get ungated in Amazon FBA. If this helped you, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.